Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Kyle Levy, the president of New England Storm Chasers. I'm actually chasing a storm parallel to me. This storm is firing a lot of CG lightning, lots of it. I am in pursuit right now. I'm headed back to Londonderry as we speak. I need to punch it a little bit. I don't know why I left my house, but this storm is producing a lot of CG lightning right now, so I need to book it back to my house right now. So this storm has the potential for some hail, small hail. This storm just fired up. Right now I'm heading back towards Londonderry as we speak. So I really need to book it back. Let's see. Yeah. So I'm seeing a lot of CG lightning to my northeast right now. Oh God, yeah, CG lightning. Holy crap. So right now I'm actually in the southern tip of the storm right now. That's going to be passing through my house right now. So I'll see if I can like book it back to my house. So I'm gonna warn my brothers about this. So but I'm actually getting a lot of good CG lightning right now. I'll see if I can get a good view of the storm as it passes over the highway. So alright, so man, so the chasing season has begun as much. Right now it's 11:51 p.m. It's almost March 14th of 2012, and we have almost a severe thunderstorm about to develop just north of me. So right now I'm on the outskirts of Londonderry right now. I'm heading back to Derry. So I want to see if I can try to get a good view of the storm as it passes over me. Holy crap, that's some really good lightning. I don't know if I can record it, but see if you guys can take a look while I'm driving here. There's a lot of good lightning coming out of that storm. Okay. So I'm almost... Shit, damn it. Damn, red lights. Okay. Alright, so right now I'm stopped at a red light, but there is some really good lightning coming out just to the north of me. Come on, go green, come on. Oh, damn. Yeah, I really need to gun it. I really need to gun it because this storm is like just freaking on top of me right now, so I gotta book it back. Holy crap, this storm is just monstrous. Lots and lots of lightning. Lots of it. Okay. I have no clue why I just left. Why did I leave? Oh my God. Alright, hold on, let me turn the radio off. Hey-o! Look at that. Nice. Very nice. Luckily I charged this camera up just for this. Luckily I charged it up. Right. Alright, I have to... Actually, hold on. I have to pull over here. Get some good shots of it. Alright, where are the hazards? Where are the hazards? Come on. Hazards. There we are. Dude, man. Alright, time for me to head on out now. Damn, that's some really good lightning. I've actually seen some low-level rotation actually on underneath the cloud here. Yeah, I'm seeing something low level here. I don't know what it is, but it looks pretty nasty. So, that was actually a good spot back there, but, you know, I can't put my hazards on. I can't stay on the side of the road because of the cops, so let's see if I can book it back. See if I can have enough time to intercept this thing. See if I can get a good view on this. See if I can enter a parking lot, that would be nice. My first successful chase. First day was not a bust. I repeat, it's not a bust. I'm actually intercepting the storm right now. I'm riding alongside it right now. Wow, damn, that's some good lightning. The storm is actually slow. It's a slow mover. It's normal speed, but it's not too bad. So right now, I'm riding alongside it right now. I'll try to ride as slow as possible if I can. Okay, I gotta just see if I can find a parking lot up here so I can park and see the storm and capture some good lightning footage. Alright. Oh my god, that was right above me. Holy crap. So. Right above me right now. This is what I wanted. This is what I needed right here today. It was a good thunderstorm, but there is a ton of lightning, dude. A ton of lightning. Alright, so, well, there is a parking lot up here, but, whoa! Holy crap! Nice, nice, nice. Alright. Alright, I'm about to head back to Derry right now. It's about to pass through Derry soon. Okay. I'm gonna warm up the car here. It's gonna get a little cool. Oh yeah, very nice. Actually, I'm hearing some thunder right now. Come on, turn green, come on. Come on, please turn green. I want to capture this thing. Very nice. Right now I am heading towards, I'm actually close to Derry right now, I'm just on the outskirts, but right now I'm heading through downtown Londonderry right now. But there's a ton of lightning here, holy crap. To be honest, I'll just find a parking lot and just park in Londonderry. Yep, heavy downpours right now. I don't know. Whoa! Damn! Crap! Holy crap. That was impressive. I am heading home right now as we speak. Holy crap. You know what? I'm just gonna park in this parking lot and just take some footage. Oh wow, that thunder shook the car. That thunder shook the car. Very, very impressive. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm just gonna park in this parking lot up here and just take some footage. It's like right on top of me right now. This is incredible. I know the Home Depot's closed. I'm just gonna park in this parking lot. Jesus Christ. Wow. I need to park somewhere where it's very, very light. No lights at all. Holy crap. Damn. Turn this off. Set the car off here. Wait till the lights reset here. Yeah, it's downpouring pretty hard. Come on, lights, turn off. Come on, turn off. Come on. I know you can do it. Turn it off, turn it off. Thank you. Dude, I got a great view here. I'm inside a parking lot. Wow, damn. I don't know if I can get any lightning from this, but I'll try. I'll see if I can get it on a filter, if I can. Dude, holy crap. I made it. I'm in Londonderry. I'm at the Home Depot parking lot, and I am seeing a good lightning show, dude. I'm actually recording it right now. So, yep. I was actually recording the whole way, so. Okay. Yeah, that's good. So, I mean, I was recording it the whole way, dude, and when I was recording it, I met some power lines, dude, and once the lightning lit up, I saw some very low clouds. Wow. Jesus, that thunder was loud. Fuck. That shook my car. Oh, man, dude. Let's see if I can get a So, I'll see if I can try to record this with this camera, but I am getting really good lightning, dude. Very good lightning. And what's that? Oh, I'm filming the camcorder, the HD camcorder I got, the GigaWare. Yep, so I'm gonna try to see if I can record some lightning with it, but damn, this thunder is pretty loud, dude. I think this is a severe storm, dude. Yeah, low-level clouds, dude. I saw, like, lightning, and I saw some gray right behind, like, the low-level clouds, dude. It could be just a gust front, but, you know, it's just a hunch, but I think that probably is a gust front. Yeah. Dude! Dude! I got hail, dude! Holy crap, I got hail! Oh, dude. Pea-size hail. No, wait, yep, pea-size hail. Pea-size hail in Londonderry, New Hampshire, right now. Hold on, I need to drop the phone so I can pick up the hailstone, okay? Okay? I'll drop the phone now. Dude, pea-size hail. Woo! Holy crap, that's awesome. Alright, I just got the peace signs on video. Oh man, I hold it in my hand, dude. My first time I ever hold a hailstone, dude. Oh my god, I just got a CG on camera. Holy crap. This is unbelievable. Dude, you're gonna love this video when it comes out. I swear to God. I am gonna sell this to news stations, man. I am gonna sell it to news stations. Oh my god, dude. Once I heard those pellets on my windshield, holy crap. Dude, I just got pelted with hail, dude, with my own body. Yep. Dude. Oh, nice. I'm in Londonderry right now near the Home Depot McDonald's, so I don't know if that's a good location, but... Dude, I'm getting pea-sized hail. Wow. Holy crap. It is pelting my car, dude. And you can hear it, dude. I mean... I don't know if you can hear it on my end, but... Look, listen. Can you hear it, dude? Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Well, actually, it's, yeah, it's Taunton, I think. No, because Londonderry's in, under the gray area, I believe. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So Rockingham County's gray is for Gray, Maine. So. Oh god, dude. Wow, it's just hailing. It's just hailing, dude. For the past like 5 minutes. Oh my god, that's not pea-sized hail, dude. I don't know. Hold on, wait. Let me check. Okay, it's still pea-size. Because it looks like... Yeah. I don't know if I could get a video of that, but... Sorry, did I hang up? Sorry. No, I'm sorry, yeah, it's still pea-size. I'm sorry, that was a little misreading. Oh my god, there's like hail on my pants, dude. Yeah, that's pea-size, dude. That is definitely pea-size hail. Oh my god. Whoa, CG lightning strike. Wow, that is incredible. I wish you'd been here, buddy. This makes up all of the bust we had since 2009, dude. This makes up everything, dude. I've been waiting for the storm for years. Finally get to see hail. Wow. Dude, oh my god. Jesus Christ, it's pelting my windshield, dude. Hold on, I gotta check it again. Trust me, it hurts like a bitch. Ow, ow, ow. Dude, nothing but hailstones, dude. You still there? Oh my god. Sorry, I keep pressing that hang up button, I'm sorry. Okay. Because, dude, I'm just getting pelted with hailstones, dude. Nothing but hailstones. Okay, now it's starting to die down a little bit. Yep, now it's starting to die down. Okay, that's very, very nice. Okay. Yep, pretty much. Wait, hold on. Yep, it's still, I think it's still going. Hold on, let me check again. Yep, it's up. Yep. So 10 to 15 minutes of excessive hail, pea-size hail. Yep. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so it's for the towns of Londonderry and Derry, so... Okay. Just want to make sure. Yep. Where's it right now, actually? Okay. Dude, the hail's still in my pants. Yeah. Let me get a light here. Wow. Incredible. Oh, believe me, I did. Or at least I mean, it's pretty dark, so I can't see anything, but, you know, but I got a lot of good CG lightning and me freaking out, so. So, oh my god, I'm soaked. Is this second storm gonna hit Derry at all? Get back home? Okay, that sounds good. Because I have to get back home because my brothers are home, so they're kind of wanting to know where I am, so. So I got some great footage, so I'll end it. That's like 23 minutes of footage, so I'll start heading home. All right.